What's up, everybody? It's your boy
Low Nose,
and today I'm doing the first video of 2021. Decided to take a break for a little bit. Decided to refocus and just step back and start to think about what type of content I would like to create moving forward. So I really slowed down the content generation and as well as the cycle or the schedule of when I put together videos. I felt like I was just making videos to adhere to a schedule or just put them out weekly or somewhat weekly, within, at least 4 of them a month essentially. Yeah, came up with a few ideas, had a few conversations, so I think things on this channel are going to change up a little bit. Well, not immediately, but in the future. But today, it's gonna be a little bit more of the same of what I've been putting on this channel, I guess, for the last few months. That being a project on my car. So I got that to show you. I'm not sure where I'm gonna place that in this video. Maybe I'll do it right now. So I guess I'm gonna try to install this bad boy right there on the car, right there.
Oh, fuck. That's the whole
I feel like I can seal that up a little bit better. Might add just a wrap to the whole liner right there, just so I can kind of tuck in these edges. Make sure they don't catch wind or whatever, and just add another adhesive to it. So I might just do it. I do want to try out some of the leftover wrap that I got.
That's the whole
God damn it.
Not the hope.
All right. What I did was get that in there. It's a little touch up, but I got the wrap on the edges here, so it kind of wraps around and kind of seals it in a little bit, at least a little bit better than it just being flat. So actually serves a purpose. We'll see how long it holds up. It's also preventative from getting water and stuff stuck in there, so yeah, hopefully this will stick. Hopefully this will hold. Did okay with the knife tape. Not too bad for first time using it. All right, now that that's out of the way, I have a little bit of a pickup video. I picked up some new Fear of God Essentials track pants. So I'm gonna have to do it to you. Jerry Boy alert. Now, I had the opportunity to get a bunch more from the drop. They had knit hoodies, which I was very tempted to get, but I have so many hoodies now, so I was like, I'm gonna hold off on tops. It's always the track pants that I would hesitate on for unknown reasons. Well, probably because I didn't know how they fit. But after doing a bunch of research, I finally pulled the trigger and I got 2 pairs of the track pants. So let's bust them out. Oh no, I accidentally opened one. So let me get the one that's still in the bag. This came from essence.com, and I will say I am very impressed by their shipping, being that these came from Canada. I ordered them on Friday morning and I received them Monday afternoon, which was also a holiday. So very impressed with the shipping on essence.com. Let me show you this real quick. This is a new bag in like a, I don't know what's called that color, Fear of God. Tends to use lots of shades of this, and it could be khaki, it could be taupe, it could be olive. I don't know what it is, but it's different. Here, let me bust out the older bags. This one's just like a translucent bag. This one came in a slimmer, let's just call it like a beige, I guess, beige bag, and both pants came in that. I know on different websites they list them as different colors. So on the Essence website, this is listed as khaki.
Khakis?
I would say this is closer to a gray, maybe even like the charcoal gray, maybe just a touch lighter than the charcoal gray like sweatshirts that I got in sweatpants. Here's how it looks. Details of it, drawstring, label on the front, crotchal region, eyes up here. And it's got the 3M Essentials print, or is it a print? I can't tell if it's a print or if it's like, it might be a vinyl like press in 3M reflective right there of Essentials, Fear of God. Checking it, doesn't say Ear of God. spelled it correctly, thank God. Thank you, Jerry. At the bottom of each cuff, it's got the lace lock, so you can cinch it and then, you know, make it more of like a jogger style. Hike it up a little bit if you're looking for that look. This one I kind of got on a whim. I didn't want to just buy one thing and then try to go back in and buy another thing and pay the shipping twice. So I made a quick decision, saw this one was available, and got it in the same size. Let me bust out the other pair. This is the one I was really after for the longest time, in black. I wanted the black pair because most of my pants, for work or otherwise, casual, it doesn't matter, I wear black. I usually wear black pants. That's, I don't know, it's been my go-to for the last few years. Especially for work, you know, it's just an easy color, classic color. And I've wanted the track pants for at least a year now, maybe a couple years, but I don't think a ton of people were going after these because, you know, they're pretty basic. I mean, there's not a whole lot to them. I thought it was gonna be more of like a cotton material or canvas or something. I don't know why I thought that, but I'm actually very okay with this material because there's a pair of Nike pants that I wear a lot that are similar, that are of similar materials, and these will work just fine for what I need them for.
Oh, fuck. Not the whole piece.
Yeah, what else is there to say about two pairs of pants? I guess that's all I got for this. I think I'm gonna slow it down a little bit when it comes to pumping out these videos and try to refocus, maybe learn some new techniques and really plan out these shoots. But yeah, that about wraps things up for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.